Introduction of QR codes in the classroom.
The hands-on structure of a tech classroom makes it unique in many ways. This structure could appeal to students with a variety of learning exceptionalities that make it difficult for them to focus in traditional classrooms. Unfortunately, tech classrooms can also be loud, chaotic, and dangerous. It's very important that all students know what the equipment in a tech classroom is and how to use it safely. However, certain populations of students, such as those with attention, audio processing, or memory difficulties, might feel anxious about this equipment. These students are at a greater risk of being hurt in a tech classroom. Our aim is to provide an alternative way for students to be informed about and reminded of the hazards in tech classrooms so that they can remain safe and confident in these learning spaces.
QR or quick response codes were initially designed for the automotive industry in the 90s. Since then, they have become widely used as a means for organizations and individuals to link large amounts of information in small, easily accessible packages. Today, QR codes can be used for augmented reality, allowing the user to access information through the lens of a tablet or smartphone. This premise creates numerous opportunities for assistive learning inside and outside of the classroom environment. The possibilities for reinforcing safety procedures and extended learning modules for physical-based subjects is greatly enhanced by this technology. QR codes are a freely licensed technology which helps further the possibilities of use. All that is required is the opportunity to design an appropriate database that can be accessed through the QR code technology by students. Once this database is designed, the possibilities for improved learning and the reinforcement of lesson material that is easily accessible is endless.
The QR code can be a very useful tool in classrooms such as kitchens. If there are kids that are nervous, uncomfortable, or unsure of a certain tool or piece of equipment, they can use the QR code. The use of the QR code will help identify what the tool is, tell you any possible dangers or hazards, and tell you how to protect yourself. The purpose is to identify the object and provide the necessary information to make the student more comfortable and understand the tool or equipment. For example, a student can scan knives using the QR code. It will identify the object as knives and will inform you of the hazards with a caution sign saying, "Be careful, sharp object, handle carefully or use cut glove." Second example is an oven. When the QR code is scanned, it will identify the piece of equipment as an oven and will have a caution sign saying, "Be careful, equipment may be hot if light is on. Use oven mitts if hot."
In the shop class, there are a plethora of tools and machines. They are loud and sometimes dangerous, and this can be intimidating to some students. This is where the use of QR codes can be useful in the construction technology class. We have introduced the use of QR codes on all of our machines. All a student needs to do is to walk up to a machine, scan the QR, and on their phone screen, all of the information pertinent to the tool will appear. The name, applications, safety procedures, and hazards. This student is new to the shop class. The student is somewhat unsure about which tool is the drill press. Watch how the student can reassure themselves by scanning the QR code without having to take the risk of what could be an embarrassing question. As a student scans the QR code, their phone will identify the tool as drill press and will recommend the safe use practices and required safety equipment such as eye and hearing protection.